Good morning ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to Bowen's Garage. This is our latest arrival, 2014 on a 14 plate Ford Fiesta Zetec. This is the 1.25 petrol, 5 doors, finished in Panther black metallic, and it's covered just 28,000 miles. So have a good walk around of this super looking Zetec Fiesta with the ever popular and reliable 1.25 petrol engine, 5-speed manual gearbox with the 5 doors in the Panther black. Looks a really classy 5-door hatchback. Just 28,000 miles, really good service history, 5 stamps throughout its life. Really well maintained. We've got these virtually unmarked 15-inch alloy wheels. Now we actually sold this car at the beginning of this year at 26,000 miles. Customers have had it sort of 6 or 7 months, and they've actually come in and bought a Golf SV from us. Just wanted that slightly raised seating position. This was slightly smaller than they needed, but at the time it suited them. So we've had the car back, we've bought it back off them, and they've purchased another car from us. So we know the car. We did all the work on it when they had the car in the first place, so we refurbished all 4 wheels and replaced the centre caps, so they're all new. Tyres on the back are new. We serviced it at the time, so barring a new MOT, it's absolutely ready to go. Inside, very tidy, exactly the same as when we sold it the first time, to be honest. All the bolsters are good. No rips or tears. Exterior's very nice indeed as well. Zetec specifications, so you get remote central locking, electric front windows, electronically adjustable door mirrors, 2 remote keys. Up onto the steering wheel you've got controls for your Bluetooth, voice recognition and your radio volume. Trip computer just poking through there on the end of the stalk. Down below we've got manual handbrake, 3 cup holders, 12-volt socket, USB and auxiliary, and then you've got your 5-speed manual gearbox. And the Ford setup that I'm sure you're all familiar with. Air conditioning, you've got their little party piece, their heated front screen, which coming into winter cleans the screen in a matter of seconds. We'll just start the car up. Now this is the 1.25 Zetec, and on 2014 it means that the road tax is just £30 a year, so cheap to run. There's your mileage, 28793. Radio CD, your Bluetooth as well. There we go. In the glove box we've got all your handbooks. So it's exactly as it should be, really. They do exactly what they say on the tin. They drive really nicely, always at the top of their class. Cheap insurance, cheap road tax. 3 seat belts in the back with the ISOFIX, so it is a 5-seater. It's got its mats throughout. All the door cards nice and tidy. It sold very quickly the first time round, and I imagine equally so this second time. Parcel shelf all intact, split folding rear seats, really good sized boot on the Fiestas actually for the size of car that it is. And underneath, the luxury of a get you home spare wheel. So there we have it. 2014 on a 14 plate Ford Fiesta Zetec 1.25. Manual gearbox, 28,000 miles, with good service history, £30 road tax. Finance is available from just £154 a month, based on a 10% deposit. And the car will come supplied with a fresh MOT, 2 remote keys, along with our standard 6-month nationwide covered in-house supplied warranty. And we do work on an appointment only basis, so if you would like to come and view, please do get in touch. Our telephone number is 01989 769 900. You can contact us for our email, sales@bowensgarage.co.uk. And for any more information, registration number, insurance groups and specific technical specs, do have a look on the website www.bowensgarage.co.uk. always ever so popular, especially in this kind of price bracket, and it's a very nice one. I'm sure it won't be here long. Thanks for watching.